Good day. Good day, everybody. I thought I would come to you. This is from Open Arms. Open Arms. Today we received a package, a parcel in the mail, and we are pleased. Lisa Rucker is really helping out a lot. We appreciate her. I'm gonna go ahead and show everybody first what she had went to Truck Supply and ordered for us, and we got it here at the Truck Supply here in Holbrook. Um, and just show everybody what she went and did. So here we go. To start off, she ordered us the 2-inch wood screws that we needed. She also got us a crowbar. Um, and this parcel, if everybody knows this, it's from her. I'm going to open it up, and I thought I would do this on camera. So,
You want to hold anything?
I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Yeah, hold the camera real quick. Okay.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Inside this box, I don't know. Oh, yeah. We're still gonna use it. She sent ibuprofen. Uh, she sent chunk like tuna. Of course, doggy biscuits. Chicken rice meal. A chicken rice meal. Oh, I can use this for my coffee. No, this is oatmeal. Oatmeal for breakfast. Oh, there we go. Essential. We're out here.
And that's what we need.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that's what we needed. Came in right on. Oh, sewing thread for my wife. Dow soap. She got us Chris. Oh, that's nothing we needed.
Mm-hmm.
Was this? We needed that. She put in some daytime cold and flu. And she put in some stomach relief. That's awesome. And of course, another 2 things of tuna. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Lisa. We appreciate that. We really do, and we really do admire what you're doing for us. We really do care. I'm glad you care. That means so much that you're doing all this for us, and we really do appreciate it. So, anyhow, we're gonna walk out here, and we're gonna give each dog a dog biscuit and tell them exactly where it's from. So, I'm gonna get 4 dog biscuits out of here, and we're gonna do this. So, you know, walk along.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna walk out here and give every dog. Here you go, Lance. It's from Lisa. Here you go, Mincy. It's from Lisa. Come here, Bo. It's from Lisa. from Lisa. Here you go, bro. It's from Lisa. So there you have it. We downright gave each dog a dog biscuit, except for the puppies. They didn't get one yet, but they will though. When they come outside. But other than that, I thought I would show everybody what she helped with. So we do appreciate that. So until next time, from open arms, we love y'all. And thanks again, Lisa. Can't wait to see you hopefully on Wednesday, Cody. But until next time, we'll be around. 5 hoorah.